Hey YouTube, how's everybody doing today? So in this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can sidechain your vocal effects to the main vocal or lead or whatever sound you want to get a little bit more punch and clarity from while having the effects present too. So maybe a little bit difficult to explain, but I'll show you what I mean. So this is the track that I'm working on here. Okay, so basically for the main vocal here, there's just an Ultra Boy on it, but in the bus, I have a bunch of sends set up in parallel here. So I have a dry channel, and what you can do in Ableton is, this is just for an example, but I'll just load this clipper in, and you can right click or you can hit Control G and group, and then you hit this little guy, right click and click Create Chain. And now you have two channels. So this audio, I imagine it is running through here, and then you have one signal into the chain and one signal into the clipper or whatever else, and you can create as many chains as you want with different effects on them and blend using this level here rather. So I have a plate reverb, which has nothing really going on, it's just there for ambience, but then there's a delay, an effect track delay from Sound Toys, and a shimmer, and those effects are cool, but I wanted the vocal to push through and then have the effects kind of swell in after. So I'll solo this and you can kind of hear what's going on. So give you all of my love, down from the sky above, feeling kind of empty. So if you notice, if you're listening carefully, you can hear after the vocal kind of ends that there's a shimmer and delay that comes in after the fact. And that's because I've inserted a compressor after the effects, which is being triggered from that main vocal. The sidechain is being triggered from that. So you just have to insert a compressor, enable your sidechain, route your audio, and then choose whatever settings you'd like. And you can see that the main vocal is actually ducking like quite a bit here. So I'll turn things off so you can kind of understand what it sounds like without. So do this, and there's same technique for these other channels here. I just wanted to duck the crap out of this. So yeah, here we go. Give you all of my love, down from the sky above. Right, so the effect is taking place right when the vocal hits, which, I mean, it's fine sometimes, but there may be times when you want it to duck out of the way and give it kind of an interesting effect, or maybe just clean the mix up. And this is kind of a good way to do it without having to do a whole bunch of manual automation. So let's listen again. Give you all of my love, down from the sky above. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them and I will try to help you out. Cheers.